Hello students, this video we are going to see how to draw inclined to one plane projection of lines we are going to see. So look at here, I will give the question. First of all, I will draw the XY line. The XY line I have drawn Y, and this is X, this is VP, and this is HP. Okay, I already told to consider this as the line, and this is one end and this is another end. So here, suppose this is the starting point, means this will be the end point. This is starting point, means this will be the end point. Starting point locus, the distance from the XY line, or end point distance from the XY line will be clearly given in the question. So now look at the question. A line AB 50 mm long is 30 degree inclined to HP. Is 30 degree inclined to HP. Inclined to HP, and the point A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP, and 15 mm in front of VP. So here we can draw the one end projection. So here it is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So on both the point, I will just draw a locus. To find the parallel line, I will be using this scale. I just drawn a thin line on it. So here also I will draw a thin line on it. Okay, so here it is said it is 30 degree inclined to HP. The line 50 mm long is 30 degree inclined to HP. I will be using the protractor here and keeping this as a point. (30°), and I am going to mark a 50 mm, a length. While drawing itself, I will be making it very dark, so this will be very easy for me. Next, I am going to draw a perpendicular line for it. So here, just going to draw the another end projection line. I will make the scale to find out the parallel line. Just drawn like this. Now it will be crossing at this locus. This is the view line. And I am just darkening it. So now here we can give the name. The line AB is given, means it is A dash, and this is B dash, and this is A, and this is B. Here the dimension is given. So we need to mark the dimension in this order. 30 degree. And here the dimensioning is 10, 15. And 15. Okay, so here the line, the true length, this line is the true length of 50 mm, but this line is the view line, that is the top view line. This is not having the full length. Here the length will be less than the 50 mm, that is 4.4 it is. If you calculate by cos theta means, you can find out the adjacent side length will be 44. So this is the way of drawing it, and always the view line is length is less than the true length. Both lines are not equal here. So this is also we need to keep it in mind. And the same way, how we are going to project it is, if this line is inclined to HP. Suppose the line is inclined to VP, means the same diagram will be coming here and the front view will be going there. So it will be a horizontal line, and here the inclination will be in this order. We need to project it, and here the procedure is very important. First we need to draw the true length, and after that only we can able to find the view line. So this is inclined to only one plane. So here another one thing is perpendicular to one plane and parallel to another plane, that we can see in the next video.